It will print out everything. See, rejected session from year to year. Let it complete. Okay, so from this point to that point, put your initials, put the date, and endorse it and keep it. Okay, so that's for your record. Some of the Navtex may have a pen drive, you can withdraw it also from there. There are many models, so that I leave it to the model. But in this case, you can keep this. What kind of paper does it use?
Thermal paper.
Thermal paper. So what happens? How does it the printing take place? Thermal means what? You have to burn the paper. So whatever is in black, that head which is moving is burning that paper. That much is remaining black. Okay, so it is actually burning. This Navtex has got a paper. I'll show it to you. So burning. So after a few days, it may vanish away. So it doesn't remain there. Okay. Now you know the three menus. Paila, station selecting, types of messages, and printout of whatever you have selected. Three menus, you know. There is requirement that every equipment must have a testing facility. तो इसमें है क्या? देखो फिर से मेनू दबाओ. Go through all the menus again. Station, we have done this. Next message, we have done this. Control station, we have done this. Now or self test. Self test. So you do the self test, press select, it will complete everything. Receiver test, memory test, lamp test भी होगा. देखो अभी all the alarms will come. Okay. वो लैंप स्कीम वो वाला
आया था?
एनीवे फिर से करो मेनू. दे आर सपोज टू कम ऑन दे somebody has we have to reset it. Select
down
arrow.
नहीं होगा.
Again menu.
फिर से नहीं जाएगा.
You have excluded them. Anyway, press select. Okay, you have to set the alarms. किधर है? You have to set the alarms for this. Then only those alarms will come. Okay, that setting I'll show it to you later on. Okay, now in case those alarms come, where if there is something incoming, you will get that alarm. So that time you can press the alarm stop button and stop that alarm. Okay, now amongst the switches, dimmer, you know, line feed means you want to tear the paper. Line feed, it will keep coming down. Press line feed. Okay, now you want to tear it, you can bring it down. Okay, so now only button which you don't know is monitor. Now what is monitor? What is monitor is, supposing your Navtex is not working for some time. Okay, you think nothing has come. So how do you know whether your Navtex is not working or station is not transmitting? You don't know. So what do you do at that fixed time, say at 1615, some station Chennai is transmitting or supposed to transmit. Okay, so you at 1615 you press that monitor button. Instead of the printout, you will get that sound, boom, 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 means something is coming. So that means your printer is not correct. In that case, you connect an external receiver to you connect the output of this to external printer. Or if you have another receiver, you can connect that external receiver here and you can get printout here. So many functions are available, but those are additional functions. Okay, so now Navtex, 4 basic functions that you must know.
प्रिंटिंग तो इसका डायरेक्ट आ रहा है सर. प्रिंटिंग जब हम लोग सबको सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं प्रिंट आउट
Print अपने आप आता है. Okay, so you see another Navtex which you can see on your own. It is a digital model. How to see that? Go to units view तो हो गया. Go to options. मेरे को sneeze आ रहा है. Okay. in this also there is a navtex. Okay, this is a digital navtex. You can switch it on and see.
Meter counter.
Same thing is there, but in the digital format. Up, down, up, down. Okay. Now, this we can see later on. So come back, change the options.
ऊपर.
Change options on top. Go to 2000.
Seller.
Seller 2000. Okay. Now, all of you when you go to practice, all